Wait! Don't scroll! What if I told you this beautiful sunflower isn't real? It looks fresh, feels soft, and the best part, it will never wilt. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this handmade pipe cleaner sunflower transforms into a stunning bouquet you'll want to make yourself. Take a closer look at this gorgeous sunflower. It's completely handmade using colorful pipe cleaners, and every single petal has been shaped with care and patience. This isn't just a flower, it's a piece of art that can last for years without losing its beauty. I started by choosing a bright yellow pipe cleaner because sunflowers are known for their cheerful and vibrant color. Then, one by one, I carefully formed each petal. The secret to making the flower look realistic is keeping every petal the same size and placing them evenly around the center. It takes a little patience, but the final result is absolutely worth it. Now let's talk about the center of the sunflower. Instead of leaving it plain, I used brown pipe cleaners to create a rich textured middle that closely resembles a real sunflower. This tiny detail adds so much depth and makes the flower look much more realistic. One thing I absolutely love about pipe cleaner flowers is that they don't need water, they don't fade, and they don't require any special care. You can display them on your desk, decorate your room, or gift them to someone you love. And they'll stay beautiful every single day. Once the sunflower was complete, I paired it with delicate white flowers and fresh green leaves. The soft white blooms beautifully balance the bright yellow sunflower, creating a bouquet that feels elegant, fresh, and full of happiness. To make everything even more special, I wrapped the bouquet in premium cream-colored wrapping paper and finished it with a beautiful satin ribbon. This simple wrapping instantly gives the bouquet a luxury handmade look that's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, graduations, weddings, or as a thoughtful surprise for someone special. What makes handmade crafts so meaningful is the time, creativity, and love behind every piece. Every petal, every leaf, and every tiny flower in this bouquet was carefully made by hand. That's what makes every bouquet unique. No two are ever exactly the same. Imagine receiving flowers that never dry out, never lose their color, and always remind you of the person who made them. That's the magic of handmade pipe cleaner bouquets. If you've watched this far, thank you so much for supporting handmade art. Your support means the world to creators like me. If you enjoyed this sunflower bouquet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more beautiful pipe cleaner flower tutorials. And tell me in the comments, what flower should I make next? See you in the next video.